is the best type of technology for you, and then we can use our supplier network, and there's lots of suppliers in this building today that we have relationships with, and that's how we bring them in.
Okay, so I think you don't make anything, but like what's like some safety features that like you usually implement in your design?
Yeah, I'll answer it this way. We work with suppliers as part of our supplier evaluation. Safety is obviously one of our top concerns. So again, we're not, we typically work with suppliers who have they have a proven track record in safety. And so again, I wouldn't have a supplier that I felt uncomfortable with because of their safety track record. So that's kind of how we think about things. And then in general, I mean, automation in general really helps to kind of, again, in certain areas of the distribution center, automation technology can really help with safety, because some of these jobs are dangerous. I mean, fork trucks and working in racking, and whether building pallets with heavy from an ergonomic standpoint and from a repetitive motion standpoint. There's all kinds of different ways that we think about safety, and a lot of that is just the suppliers that we work with, and then how we design our solutions. We make sure that we have ergonomics at the forefront of what we do. But at the end of the day, we want to make sure that the operator, we can put the best system in the world, but if it's hard to operate, or if there's a risk factor with the folks doing the work, I mean, that's a big part of the job. So we got to make sure we always design with safety in mind.
Okay. So what's some mistakes that you see people making in this industry, in this field, and like how do you not make the same mistakes that they do?
Sure. From a safety standpoint, again, we've been at this for a while. So again, our company, we have over 2,000 people in our company. So we have the collective knowledge and resources, to bring to bear on any project that we do. So when we're working in certain industries or working with with certain customers, I have a pretty large network of folks that I can call upon to kind of really bring to bear and solve that problem. I think the thing for us is that sets us apart a little bit, I think, is that we don't lead with automation. We don't lead with technology. We're not selling a product. We spend the time to work with the customer to understand their operation. We want to be a trusted advisor. We want to spend the time and build that partnership, because that's how we think about things. It's not just a transaction for customers. We spend the time, learn the operation. We want to be a trusted advisor. And quite frankly, we've walked away from opportunities where we don't think we add a lot of value. If we don't think we add a lot of value, it's not the right opportunity for us or for our customers. So that's how I think about things.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense.
Excellent.
All right. What's